font changing feature available in the 2019 version Motion Graphics template. I have used EXO and Railway font in this project. Let me show you how to edit this template. Let's open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking the Full HD preset. Open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics templates. Let's place this template on the timeline. I am also placing an image. Scaling the image down. Select Template to edit. Here in Edit tab, you can change almost everything. Here I have added 3 different types of main titles. You can enable or disable here. Change text and font of the main title here. Here you can enable text box fill. Change stroke color here. Here you can change stroke width. Change text box stroke height and width here. Here you can change position and scale. If you want title without box, here you can enable it. Here you can change the subtext. I have added 2 different subtexts in target style. Here you can change the target style. Change line styles here. I am going to animate this image by keyframing position and scale. Select Template and Nested. Also animated nested sequence like that. Now go to the nested sequence. Trim template like that. Press Alt and drag to make a copy of it. Place it like that. Right-click on the copied template, go to Speed Duration, select Reverse Speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.